Wondering how to remove your PS5 covers? Watch this. It's fast, easy, and tool-free. Let's get started. Start by placing your PS5 face up, with the logo in the bottom left corner. Now grip the bottom left corner of the cover with one hand, and the right edge of the PS5 with your opposite hand. Now grip the bottom left corner of the PS5 and perform a downward right hand sliding motion. You'll feel it release from the hooks. Don't force it, a little pressure and a smooth motion will do the trick. Once it slides off, set it aside safely. This will reveal the PS5 fan cover. To reattach the cover, align it with the PS5's body using the hooks as a guide. Make sure the hooks are lined up, then slide the cover to the left until it clicks into place. You should hear or feel a soft snap when it locks in correctly. Once you hear the clip, it's back in place. Now carefully flip the PS5 over so the disk drive is on your right and the bottom of the console is facing up. We'll remove the second cover next. Now for this one, just check that the disk drive slot is on the bottom left edge. Then place one hand on the top left corner and one hand on the right edge of the PS5. Gently lift the corner and slide down the cover. It should pop off with a little movement. Again, no tools needed, just steady pressure and control. This will reveal the flip side of the PS5 fan, and in addition to that, you'll also see your storage expansion slot. Now it's time to replace the second cover. Line up the second cover just like you did with the first one. Then slide it to the left until everything locks into place. You should again hear an audible click. And just like that, you're done. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.